magkakaroon tayo ng 3y squared. Then, dy dx. Or y prime. Pero naka-respect to x eh. Ganyan siya ginagawa. So, number 2. Ito yung pinaka-basic na ginagawa. So, let's say meron tayong x squared plus y squared equals 25. So, find dy dx or y prime. First derivative lang. So, kapag magde-derive ka ng y prime, ng y, magkakaroon ka lang ng y prime lagi. So, pero pagdating sa x, treat mo lang siya as yung pag-derive natin. So, let's say meron tayong x squared. So, pag dinerive natin yung x squared, that is 2x, tama? Pag differentiate natin. Pero kapag nag-differentiate tayo ng y squared, that is 2y. Then, dahil nag-derive tayo ng y, magkakaroon tayo ng y prime or dy dx. Y prime na lang. Hindi mahirap. Then, derivative ng constant or pag differentiate natin yung constant, magiging 0. Then, solve for y prime ka na lang. So, in this case, lipat mo lang yung term na walang y prime. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 2y, y prime, equals sa negative 2x. So, same process sa equality. Nagpapalit ng sign. So, i-divide lang natin by 2y para makuha natin yung first derivative. So, in this case, magkakaroon tayo ng y prime. Then, negative 2 over 2 is negative 1 or x over y pa kasi yung variable natin magkaiba. So, ito yung magiging sagot natin para dito. That's correct. So, let's say meron naman tayo number 3. Let's say may given na xy equals 1. So, anong gagawin mo? So, sa case to guys, same process pero yung gagawin natin is magpa-product rule tayo kasi yung variable natin is magkadikit. Then, magkaiba sila ng terms. Pero remember, meron tayong product rule. That is u p prime plus bu prime. Sa calculus to guys, papayawan lang natin. Then, yan. So, yung gagawin nating u, that is yung x. Then, yung b natin, that is yung y. Then, as for the derivative of u, or yung u prime natin magiging 1, while yung b prime natin guys, is magiging what? Ano yung magiging b prime? So, sabi natin kapag nag-differentiate tayo ng y, magkakaroon tayo ng y prime. So, pag din-differentiate natin yung y dito, that is 1. Or times yung y prime, magkakaroon tayo ng y prime. Then, input na lang natin siya dito guys. So, yung u, that is x, times yung b prime natin na y prime, plus yung b. That is, ba't may prime to? That is y times yung u natin na 1. U prime I mean. Then, ayun na. Solve mo na sa y prime. Nakikwita sa 0 by the way kasi meron pa tayong 0 dito guys. So, different. Constant. So, mag-equal 0 siya. Then, same process. Isolate lang yung may variable na y prime or yung first derivative natin. So, lilipat lang natin yung y. So, dahil positive siya dito, may negative siya sa kabila. Then, divide na lang by x. So, magkakaroon tayo ng negative y over x.